it all. You don't want it bad enough. Of course you ain't as bad as us. Living wild and dangerous. We ain't scared, we stand and fight. Side by side to stay alive. It's worth risking everything. Desperado till I die. If I fall, I rise again. I will never run from them. Battle to the bloody end. Till I'm out of oxygen. Freedom, it ain't never free. Life is not a cup of tea. Ambition, my philosophy. You can learn from me.
Revolver aim to kill. Them goals, I got a checklist. So long, now got a deal. Way too long, you gon' get dusty. That stank face like you musty. Show up and then I show out. Put some money on me, trust me. Got game, check her steez. She smart and got degrees. Plus she ride like a pony. Power room, such a breeze. Aim how we moving mountains. That flow like water fountains. You play like you premeditated. Them checks I'm steady counting, yeah.
I ain't scared of nothing, I'ma risk it all. I'ma risk it all.
Must have, got dough.
Yeah, lock and load, let's rock and roll. They in the way, they gotta go.
Let's get first class, let's fly. Can't never look back, let's ride.
Okay, fly, die, now you decide. Go for it, at least you try.
Can't waste time when you living that life. Grab that bag like we running on strike.
Listen, they don't know what it feels like. They don't know this real life.
Ride that horse real fast with the loop. Gotta get away, hit that ass with the boot.
I'm gone, Teflon, I'm bulletproof. Go ahead, aim, shoot.
Gotta take a chance on life.
I ain't scared of nothing. I ain't never bluffing.
I'm a daredevil. See the truth, it's time to fight.
I will risk it all. I will never fall.